Hello there, I'm Marcia Chicas, and today I will explain step by step how I will develop some activities focused on speaking and writing in a synchronous online class. First, I will greet the students and I will tell them that we will work with Unit 5, Free Time, Lesson B, TV shows, and the topic to be developed is likes and dislikes related to TV shows. The objective for this class is by the end of the Canva presentation, 90% of students will be able to express their likes and dislikes about common TV shows in both written and spoken forms using frequency adverbs. First, we are going to focus on the speaking skill. Now, I will play a YouTube video about common TV shows to help students learn key vocabulary.
Hello there! Today we are going to learn about the most common TV shows. Are you ready? Here we go! Cartoons, soap operas, talk shows, game shows, documentaries, reality shows, sitcoms, the news.
Okay, now I will explain how to express likes and dislikes related to TV shows. First, expressing likes. Okay, in this case, we have the explanation, the grammar structure that is very important for students to create sentences. And here we also have emojis. Okay, so for the students to remember, okay, I like or I love. Okay, and then, okay, we have the pattern. And here I like, okay, or love plus a TV show that they enjoy watching. Okay, second, expressing dislikes. And we also have two expressions, dislike or hate, okay? And the same, okay? We have the explanation, the grammar structure, and the emojis, okay? And here, the students have to say or have to write, I dislike game shows, for example, or I hate documentaries, okay? So here, they are going to choose the TV show that they don't like. Besides that, I will introduce three common frequency adverbs, always, sometimes, and never, to describe how often students watch these TV shows. And of course, we have the percentages here. Okay, and we have three sentences. I always watch reality shows. I sometimes watch the news. I never watch soap operas. If students have questions or doubts, I will clarify them, of course. Right now, I will let the students know that it's time to practice what they have already learned with the whole class through an interactive activity called Open the Box on Wordle. Here, we have the instructions for the activity. Okay, let's practice what we have learned with the whole class. Choose a number from the box, read the question out loud, answer the question, and then invite another student to choose the next number and answer the question. I will share the screen with the Open the Box activity, okay, and we will displaying that number boxes. Okay, so right now I will ask for a volunteer to say a number. Okay, and the chosen number will correspond to a box on the screen. If there are no volunteers, I will select a student. Okay, let's suppose that we have a volunteer, Mario, and he says number 12. Okay. I will click the selected box to reveal the question. I will read it aloud for the class and the student will answer it. Is there a type of show you never watch? Why? Okay, he will provide his answer. Okay, and after that response, I will invite another student to choose the next number and answer the question. Okay, do I have a volunteer? And Maria says, number 2. Okay. Do you hate watching reality shows? And Maria is going to tell us the answer, of course. Okay, I will repeat the process until all the students have had the opportunity to respond or until all the boxes have been opened. After this, I will ask the whole class the following questions. Which kinds of TV shows do you like? Why? Which kinds of TV shows do you dislike? And why? Okay. And then I will thank the students for their participation and contributions to that discussion. Okay. And right now, I will let them know that the next activities will focus on writing. Okay. All right. First, we are going to analyze a short a short paragraph about TV shows preferences on the screen, of course, but they have to identify the use of phrases that express likes and dislikes as well as common frequency adverbs. Okay, let's go there. Okay, in this case, the students can read the paragraph in silence for some seconds, and then I will ask them, okay, which are the phrases to express likes and dislikes? Okay, they're going to say, oh, enjoy, like, dislike. Okay, and I'm going to say, yeah, good. Those are the phrases for expressing likes, okay, or dislikes, okay. And then I will tell them, what about frequency adverbs? They're going to say, always, never, yes, right, okay. And if they ask me for however, what does however mean, I will explain that it's a transitional word that we can use to when we want to express our dislikes. Now it's time to write a short paragraph about their the TV shows preferences on Padlet. And it is important to remind them that they should use phrases to express likes and dislikes as well as common frequency adverbs. Okay. Okay. So here we have the instructions for the activity. Okay, enter your name in the sujeto space, click the plus button on Padlet to start writing your paragraph. Once you had finished, you should click the publicar button to share your paragraph. Okay, so I'm going to share the link in the chat. Okay, I send it. Okay, they are going to say something like this. Okay, here, we are going to follow the steps. Okay, click here. Oops. My name. Done. Okay, it's nice. Okay, and I will let them know that they can access a Padlet from any device. If students don't have questions or doubts, they can start writing their paragraphs. After that, I will share the screen to display the paragraphs they have written. And depending on the number of students, I will select a few paragraphs to review them with the whole class. Okay, we are going to have something like this. Okay. For example, I will choose Susie's paragraph, and I will ask the whole class, which are the phrases to express likes and dislikes? And the students are going to say, oh, enjoy. Let's see. Oh, dislike. Yes. Another one, like. Cool. Okay. And what about frequency adverbs? Okay, they can tell never. Yes, never. Another one, always. Okay. And we are going to update. And we're going to say, and at the end, we're going to say, hey, great job, guys. Okay, in this case, I will give constructive feedback if necessary, of course. And finally, I will thank the students for their participation and contributions to the class. Okay, that was everything for today. I hope these steps help you in case you want to develop materials for synchronous learning in the future. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Bye.